Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sonos app and set up Sonos speakers step by step clearly. To activate the Sonos app, begin by downloading it from your device's app store. Search for Sonos and select the official app. Once the download is complete, open the app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in. If you are a new user, select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your email and create a password. After setting up your account, log into the app. Ensure your Sonos speaker is plugged in and powered on. Connect your mobile device to the same Wi-Fi network you want to use for your Sonos system. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi, return to the Sonos app. Tap on Set up a new system or add a speaker. The app will search for available Sonos speakers. When your speaker appears on the screen, select it to begin the setup. You may be prompted to press the Connect button on your speaker to establish the link. Follow any additional instructions that appear in the app to finalize the connection. Once connected, you can choose your preferred language and configure basic settings. Next, explore the app to customize your speaker preferences. You can add music services and set up playlists within the app. Finally, test your speaker by playing audio to ensure everything is working correctly. Your Sonos speakers are now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.